Secretary Vince, do we have may we solicit your opinion or support for this measure?
We are in full support of this measure, especially now na 22 pa lang po ang nagagawa ng departamento ngayong taon. Kailangan po talaga natin ng tulong. No? At hindi lang po mga partnerships with LGU. Tingin ko po, nag-usap na rin po kami ni Secretary Sani Angara tungkol dito. Tingin ko po kailangan mag-aggressive PPP din po tayo.
Yes.
Para mapagawa natin ng mas mabilis. Kasi po, at this rate, it's virtually impossible po na magawa lang po ng DPWH itong kailangan nating mga classrooms.
Yes, so mag-PPP po ang DepEd, but that will happen the middle of next year kasi may proseso po yung PPP. In the meantime, what we want to pursue is reallocating that budget for classrooms at direct download sa hundreds, if not, most of the LGUs kasi lahat po sila, practically lahat mayroong classroom gap. And we enjoin everyone to build at the same time. Then yung mga NGOs na matagal nang may track record, gaya ng Chinese Chamber, pwede rin silang bigyan ng suporta para makagawa sa mga GIDA areas o yung geographically isolated areas. Yun po yung mga one classroom. Now, Sec, babanggitin ko rin, we've been working on this bill for months. Ang presyo sa DPWH is roughly at about 3 million and above. Nasa 3.5 million per classroom. Panahon pa po ni Secretary Bonoan, binabanggit ko na po ito. No? The NGOs can build classrooms at less than 1.5 million pesos. Of course, iniintindi namin yung differences. Meron namang differences in fairness. When we were about to sponsor this bill, sumabay po yun dun sa Blue Ribbon hearing na binanggit nung Bulacan district engineers na nag-overprice sila ng kanilang specs. So we didn't push through with the sponsorship. Instead, inaral namin yung design. And we're now asking support from the United Architects of the Philippines, different groups, to come up with a design na will satisfy the standards for our schools na earthquake resilient, typhoon resilient, lahat ng mga standards. Pero mukhang lumalabas po na nasa 2 million lang talaga. No, nasa 2 million lang po talaga per classroom yung labas. And we're talking about single, double, even yung building, no? Yung vertical na 2-story o 3-story. Lumalabas po talaga na mas mababa. Kapag ni-redesign mo, mas mababa because the DUPA, yung cost per material, nabanggit nyo na naman po ito, mataas. Pangalawa, yung disenyo mismo, meron talagang over-design.